Guys, in a stunning turn of events, Samsung is shaking up the mobile industry once again with the highly anticipated release of the Galaxy S23 FE. Sam Mobile reported that Samsung would launch the Galaxy S23 FE in Q4 2023. The publication now claims that Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will be launched in Q3, that is between July to September 2023. But it will be available only in selected markets. According to publications, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will have the Exynos 2200 chipset. However, unlike the Galaxy S21 FE, which came with the Snapdragon or Hexagon chip depending on the market, the Galaxy S23 FE will be powered by Exynos in all the regions. According to other rumors, Samsung Galaxy S23 FE include a 50 megapixel primary camera, 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt charging and 6 to 8 GB of RAM. Guys, there is no word yet from Samsung about the Galaxy S23 FE. However, we have heard rumors of the smartphone arriving before the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, confirmed to go official in the last week of July at event in Seoul. The Galaxy S23 FE battery also got certified recently, and with the new report claiming the phone will launch in selected markets, we could see Samsung unveil the Galaxy S23 FE sometime in upcoming months. Guys, are you excited about this mobile phone? Please let me know in the comment box below. And in this price range, you can check out Pixel 7a as well. And at the last, if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the like and subscribe button.